last week, the war veterans, they called a conference and then they accused you and the G40 for ruining the country. What would you say about that?
Which war veterans?
Mutsvangwa and the other veterans. Mahia was there.
No. You see, Mutsvangwa, you know, the way I can respond to Mutsvangwa is by telling you a story of unanoenda kunogeza otorerwa hembe dzake nebenzi oedza kutandanisana nebenzi iroro. Saka zvinenge zvataurwa naMutsvangwa izvo inga takataura wani kuti handina mota zvivheti naMutsvangwa kuti ndipone nditedzera zvaMutsvangwa hana Mahia aiwa tinenge tashaya zvekuita.
Because they basically, mentioned your name, Jonathan Moyo, Kasikuere, and the whole G40. They basically mentioned your names.
Everybody in Zimbabwe is free to be idiotic. We have a free constitution. So, it is within their constitutional right to be nonsensical.
Thank you.